Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just out having a look at a couple of planes. I've actually decided to document these planes and see which ones I've seen and which ones are new. So they seem to be all German. Well, these three anyway. That's German. You have the flags. I never even noticed the flags on the backs. They're cool, really nice, and they're all different types of jets, aren't they? Like the one of them, them two have the wings over the top, so they seem kind of similar enough. Yeah, they do. I don't know what type of planes they are. It'll be worth looking up. It's very different with the arrows in the back, and look, the Pegasus on the back there as well. You can see it properly there. And then this one over here, try to get a picture of that one on the phone. GPTC. I can't see any badges on those. And then you have the rescue helicopter coming in there as well. I don't know where it is now. It was over there. Might come across there now in a second. I'll have a look. There's plenty of plane activity over that way. I don't know whether there's something landing over there or it's the sound of the rescue helicopter in behind me and it's kind of going to surround, but we'll wait around and we'll have a look. We're in no rush anyway. So yeah, I've been out here so much that I was like thinking, why not document the planes? I have never seen those before, I don't think, especially with the colours and stuff like that. I was like, why don't I document the planes? It'd be fun then to come out if I find a new one, you know, because I just love planes. I'm a geek, plane geek. And I follow Simply Aviation and watch him on flights and all that, and it's really cool. I really like it. So there's the rescue helicopter over there, if you can see it, taking off again, I think. Or is it landing? Oh, it's landing. You see it there, look, off you go. Cool. There it goes now, off another mission, I think. Nice. Nice to see it. It was coming into land there and it took off again, so maybe you got another mission or something like that. But yeah, so we have 5 planes for our records. So we know the Coast Guard one anyway. Excuse me. So it's Atlantic Flight Training Academy, and they're the hangars there. So there's hangar 5, 6 and 7, and yeah, let's have a look over the other side, see if there's any planes over that side. That side. There's Bonnie, loving the sunshine. Yeah, gap here, so you see a plane coming in there. Can we see it land and see what plane it is? Whew. There's another one coming in there, look. See it coming in there? Up there. Up there a bit. Yeah, that looks the rescue helicopter, doesn't it? Well, you might be able to see it, but I do. Yeah, that's it. You see it better there now. Coming in. Okay, lucky you might come across here. With any luck. Come on. See. Nice. There you go, look at that. Rescue helicopter. Maybe that was the one that was coming in the whole time. Excellent. I see they must be doing some training and stuff like that at the landing twice. Cool. Jets, and then we've seen the big dog rescue helicopter. Just before you go, I actually found some information on the planes on Flight Radar 24, and here it all is, from the make of the planes to the models, all that kind of stuff as well. and you can actually find out where they've flown from and flown to. So that's very interesting for me, and yeah, I'm definitely a bigger geek than I realised, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.